you're going to find that using your cell phone as a calculator will not cut it for this part of our course. And probably from here on out, you're going to want to use something a little bit more powerful. Good news is you can use a super great calculator that would really serve you well throughout college if that's what you decide to do, called the TI-89 titanium, or I guess this one's not the titanium, but anyways, it's more than good enough. So if you want to write something in scientific notation and work with it, multiply it, whatever, you're going to need something like this. The link to this is in the Canvas modules. So if you're looking for this, go to Canvas modules. I will show you where to find that as well during class, but just keep that in mind. Okay, so if you want to write something in scientific notation, let me make this a little bit bigger. You're going to take whatever your number is. Let's say that we want to write the number. Let me write it on the screen so you can see. Let's say we want to write the number 3.2 times 10 to the negative 5. And we want to do something with it. Let's say we want to multiply it by 2. So we'll take this and multiply it by 2. All right, in order to do this in our calculator, we're going to need to type in the number, so 3.2, and I'll make this a little bigger so you can see. So there's our 3.2. Oh. I have no idea why it's doing this. It's just stuck and doesn't want to let go. Let go! Okay, no idea why that happened, but here we go. I think it's okay now. All right, 3.2. The times 10 to the, you don't write all of that. You do not write times 10 and then try to raise it to some power. Do not do that. You're literally just going to press this EE button right here. Don't ask me why. I really have no idea. But this EE button is what you press instead of writing times 10 to the. I'm sure if I looked it up, I could find it. So you press that EE button, and then even more confusingly, only one E pops up. Again, no idea. Just do it, and then don't click it again. So 3.2 E, or times 10 to the, and then we put our exponent, negative 5. So you put this little negative symbol and the number 5. And if we press enter, it actually shows us, hey, look, that's what it would be in standard form. That makes sense. And we can multiply that by 2. So we can take that same amount, 3.2 E negative 5, multiplied by 2, and it'll give us our answer like this. You may have to you can either convert that back into scientific notation. So you could write 6.4, and then let's see how many decimal points. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'd be times 10 to the negative 5. Or there should be a setting as well. If I go to mode and I come down here to display digits. Oh, no, that's not it. Hold on a second. Get out of there. Exponential format, normal. There we go. Scientific. And you select that. Then you'll see that if we do that same thing, it'll actually give it to us in scientific notation. So there are times when you will want to switch between those two settings. Make sure you know how to do it. Again, you just click on mode, go down to exponential format, click this little right button, and then you can switch between normal and scientific. Don't worry about engineering for now. And that's how you represent things in scientific notation. Let's do one more example just to make sure you've got it. Where's my I don't know. Oh, here we go. Let me erase this. So let's say we want to do 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Hopefully you recognize that as Avogadro's number. That's 1 mole of something. And let's I don't know, multiply that by 4.1. So again, we would come in here, write the number 6.022. Instead of writing times 10 to the, I just press this EE button. I'm going to write my exponent, 23. And then I want to multiply that by 4.1 times 4.1. And that gives us 2.46902 times 10 to the 24th power. So make sure you know that you can write this 2.4 7, I'll just round it, times 10 to the 24th power. That's what that answer is telling you right there.